Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if your Maytag washer won't start, it can completely disrupt the laundry day and leave you wondering whether the issue is electrical or mechanical. So in this quick video, I will show you how you can fix this particular thing step by step. So first of all, you need to begin by checking whether the washer is receiving the power at all. So you just have to simply take a look at the power code, and then you need to look the wall outlet, home circuit breaker for any kind of interruptions. A tripped breaker, loose connection or faulty outlet can make the washer appear completely dead. Now, Maytag washer require the lid or the door to lock properly before the cycle can begin. So for top load models, you can test the lid switch response. For front load washers, you can confirm the door lock engages securely without any obstructions. Now, some of the models also include the control lock or the cycle settings. So when these are enabled, it can disable the button input. So you need to simply take a look at the lock indicator on the display and disable them according to your washer's control panel instructions. Also, you just have to simply confirm a valid wash cycle whether it is selected or not. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.